Lagos. And at this Lagos, girl go do fake nyash. Should I get mind? How you as a girl, you do fake nyash? They want buy motor for you, they look for first body. Lagos, where two twins come up for Enugu. They come up for Enugu, one call hustle. Two musicians, twins, so they reach Lagos. One first, one blow because of hold up. Wisdom. Now later you get the collector of it. Nigeria don't have to see everybody now. By this time, for terror culture before, by this time, everybody don't go house. Who want go house now? Who want go on diesel? You know, how you want go on diesel? Not much for diesel. Oh, I don't need to clap. You know when last, you want to go on your AC? AC, get a free AC. Nobody. M.O.P, you don't need to tell anybody say, stay. Now like we go stay. You know heat where they outside there. Heat everywhere. About the charge of heat. The heat where this country now be like waiting the plug for stabilizer. If you see heat, that's why no artist fit drop any heat. Now God heat the rain. All artists need to wait for rainy season to rain again. I know they do the usual. Heat day everywhere now. Bros, you know say now you go bank heat don't they so they bank they full. Nobody they pay, nobody they withdraw. Man can't rest. Bank go full, heat everywhere. Hold on now, update. Oh, no worry. Nigeria not a good country. This country where the steep it will be mandate. He go court, the thief phone. Who they find mandate? Who they find mandate, they find phone. My leader, see, this life, my brother, this life, you need to make money. Oh. Some boys going to tell say money is not everything, money is not everything. Listen to me, money is everything. As a boy, if you get girlfriend, now you they buy ice cream, but another man they make them scream. I not just the crowd joke, you must carry something, go house. Some people go tell us, I don't get money, I get big blockers. It's not my blockers. Blockers when don't get money, na Dido. Well, listen to me, not to the laugh for you now. They laugh. Listen to me. Let me tell you the difference. Okay, you know how this man fresh. Let me tell you the difference between who get money and who no get money. If you get money, you give get belle mistakenly. The guy go call you, hello James, I'm pregnant for you. You go there, you say, it's not my baby. You say, it's your baby. It's not my baby, it's your baby. But poor, when you give get belle. The first thing you hear, hello, wisdom, you have ruined my life. Poverty is a disease. Listen, oh, not today. But Nigeria don't have though. Nigeria don't. One of my guys will be say for NYC. That time for NYC. Now the guy don't let the guy. If they show himself, that because won't finish for NYC. That the guy they give a secretariat key. They give everybody room. You know, give me room now. 2 years ago, I go fix POP for my house. The guy don't know say after POP go fix POP. That's my senior man can be. When they drop a hot auto, these people they pick intelligent joke. That's why I like it. They go school now. That's why I like it culture. As you drop one joke for year, as you go back, they go pick and try for Benin. Benin as you drop joke, as you go back, then go back. If you can't laugh, you make the face say na joke. Hey, don't say, hey, wait till they do this one. Benin too rugged. Don't be casting the church. Benin boys they not believe anything. No. Benin boys not believe say anything they read. Like Uber come Benin, Uber work for Benin. Oh. Uber work for 4 years. Uber no make 1 naira. Benin boys no believe say Uber don't come Benin. They go order Uber. Uber go call. They say he they work. No, the way our generation takes sex, we sex for this generation. Our fathers, na normal style our fathers do. See what our fathers do. Normal missionary style. They don't old now. See the way our fathers say they work. For normal missionary style, you see the way our parents say they work. With what we do with our ways. If we don't old, if you just say one. Hold on. Are they went. One more. Hold on. With the sex. Now make our youth before anybody go get stroke before, you must reach 60 or 70 before you get stroke. Youth of these days, 40, 30 we don't get stroke. because of sex. And you know, say, if we dey sex, now because of all those things we dey take for our generation, that make you see 25 years old boy go get stroke. All these drugs we dey take for sex. And you know, so when you dey sex, if you want come, now this leg you dey shake. And at the same vein where sperm dey follow come, now stroke dey follow come. So as you dey do like this now, this leg dey weak dey go. Before you know, one morning you wake up, this leg no move again. That be stroke now. See, some people when they go port you, they carry their children go say, I want my children to go to the best university. Listen to me. What you go look out for when you born your pikin, especially now boy. If you want me to know disgrace for future, look out for what you carry. That's what you work on that before education. It's a ration before education. That's what me. When I born my pikin, I don't be listening to my pikin now. The pikin don't resemble me. Now one day when my wife called the buffer, I just see everywhere here. I said, this is the bone of my and the flesh of my flesh. Yeah, now you be man. That's how those people they do. Sex tape, this, sex tape. Now because you carry small thing, I make they call it sex tape. If you carry big thing, if your teeth big, you sleep with person, the video go viral. Not be sex tape, now video drop. The child will get the biggest blood clots. Now the way they take the dress, you know say they get blood clots. Now be data urobome. And Hausa, that's how Urobo they tie apart. Hausa they wear jalabia. What did they carry trousers? No fiola. Yes, sir. You know, they don't want to say tape for this country now. Any small thing says tape. That's why me. Before I sleep with any girl, I always they check whether cameras there. Come like people they do condom now they do cameras. Any small thing says tape. Come like say they plant camera. Because that person need to be careful. You don't understand? Now you're going to sleep with girl. Before you come, Easter block don't release. Who please? This country where no balance. Nigeria is frustrated. With what all those judges do, Peter will be for court. I tell my wife, oh, it's not enough to say fear woman, fear anybody where we are weak. And women, make your marriage very spicy. Valentine's Day. Let me ask madam, Valentine's Day, what did you buy for your husband? What did you buy? What did you buy? What did they buy for your guy? Make your marriage spicy. You know if you just on Valentine's Day, you know if you just lodge this man for room, for hotel, lodge him. Only you go just day hotel like this. You go come, you go wear nightgown. As the man day hotel naked. Mr. Naked the one also. As the man day hotel naked, you go call, you wear nightgown. Wow, you see how your husband like hotel. That's not one money. As your husband take bed like this naked, you go just go, you just wear nightgown. You all say, I'm not the one to sleep with you. You come out, you invite the side chick. The side chick will come. I'm your side chick, I'm not the one to sleep with you. The guy where you and the side chick come pay. You come and say, I'm the one to sleep with you. Make it spicy. Who said this guy is crazy? They insult us, yeah? They hold me while I get to children. This guy is crazy. The name of laugh. Just curse me. No, don't worry. I like your insult. See me after the show. Let me insult you. Make it spicy. You don't understand? And that is why men, they quit die. Men, we they give all our all to woman. This advice, and this M.O.P landlord supposed here. Because men, they quit die. That is why do you know, as I speak to you, we have about 200 million grandmothers and 400 grandfathers. The grandfathers are going, the grandmothers are there. They are taking the grandmothers to Omugo, they are taking the grandfathers to the morgue. They are not dying. And because of what they go through, you as a man, you want to go sleep with woman. You reach where the woman there. That's a baby, I want head. I want head. You don't give the girl head, give her head, give her head, give her head. He reached out for you to sleep with the girl now. The girl said, "May you go wear condom." What do you want, friend? If first when you don't drink 50 liters. Rubbish. And let me tell you something. Why men they die quick before women? Do you know that men go they expect girl? The girl go they come, you know say they go meet my way, want sleep with you. You call rub makeup, rub highlighter, now sleep, you want to go sleep with man, oh. Now you they go where the man, they reach there. Instead where the man go say, may you go bath. before he sleep with you, the man they tell you say, the man now, he don't see the way you take fire, he just dive you, use the tongue, take lick all the makeup. And you know say this black tea where women they rub for face, now that way they middle of battery, they take they do one. Now the man, hold on now. Now the man don't lick all, don't lick everything, lick makeup. And a disease, you don't lick so. You don't tell the guy when the guy go back. That's why some men, their belly go, they swear. They go to say Nigerian men, now foundation for years so. You are dying slowly. That's why me as a bad Billy boy, if I invite the girl come, as the girl come like this, as he rub makeup, we have for the buy condom, now for the buy face wipe. As she come, fair wipe her before I wipe her. You see where they write Chinese Masood, I beg, wrong. One day I don't go do show for Abuja for Transcorp. I don't tire. As I dey call around after 1. Now tell reception, say, all these Chinese people in the massage person, so they be re. He say, na re. I say, correct. I say, I beg, invite 2. Now they invite 2. One na Thailand, the other one na Japan. As they come, they meet me, they look me, they say, Choya, Chai Chu. Now I look them, I say, wait till there. They say, off your clothes. Off my clothes. One enter inside, one stand for door. I dey inside with one. I don't lie down for bed. I keep my bossa. I make sure I don't put the bossa because I don't trust Chinese people. So as I lie down for bed, the guy speak one language. He put chunya. I said, what be that? She said, only massage. I said, yes, only massage. So I don't know say happy end the day. That be that only massage. He asked me again, he put chunya. I said, well, is that only massage? I said, only massage. The guy massage me. I know say he give me a Chinese for the touch for body. All the point now to make it rise. The guy massage me. You know say massage, it is sweet until the time you make you turn. Now the guy tell me make I turn. As I turn, I lie down. My son him stand up. The guy look the thing. Now he ask me that question again. He put two chunya. Now me speak my language. Give an answer. Tell Lulu. She said, what's the meaning of that? I said, let your will be done. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Edopikin. Edopikin. Good night. I love you.